Hi everyone and welcome back to my OFTV. So I have just touched down in Turkey. My body is in pain. I live in Australia, so this is like 30 hours of traveling. So let's do a quick stretch to just realign. So we're gonna start off with my favorite, which is this one. Oh, this one just feels amazing for your posture because we're just slouching the whole time when we're on a plane. Oh. And then I'm gonna do some sides. A little bit.
Forward fold and flossing out our legs. Ooh. Your hamstrings get so tight from sitting on an airplane seat. It's so bad.
Whew. Gonna come back up. Do our neck. Down. Other side. These. And then you're gonna find a wall. Open up the chest. Oof. I've got my videographer Tay on the job.
Hi guys.
Do the other side. Ooh. And then we're gonna do
Some hip flexor.
oh. My hips are so tight. Into, is this your puppy? This is puppy. Oh. Cows. And then that'll do it for a quick little just realigning yourself after being on a plane.